So what do you see?
It looks like where this turn is, there's
Yeah.
a lot of stuff going there. I cleared the line really good. I went out about 40 feet.
40 feet.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is going to be, I went about 40 feet. So it's going to be one or two things.
Okay.
Either you're going to do salt treatment on this so we can keep these roots from growing again. Just hear me.
Yeah.
We can try to keep the roots from growing again. And periodically, you will have to get your line cleared every couple of years, probably every year, 2 years. Or, because we don't do liners, or we dig all this up and replace it. All right? If we had a liner machine, I'd say go with us. You don't want your entire underneath your house jackhammered out. Call Roto-Rooter and get a liner. I'm just telling you.
So,
But for now, you should do a salt treatment.
So the roots originally where it came from. What kind of trees? Like here,
I have no idea. Nobody knows. It's just trees that are here.
Yeah. So what about my suggestion? Like we put like chemicals, pull down right here.
Salt.
And
it's a certain kind of salt. Yeah.
Yeah, we put the chemicals and we see that probably it might be gone. You never know. The roots. I think because I have my relative in Minnesota. They sent me the picture. I show you that. I want to show you that. They put the chemicals.
Salt.
Yeah.
It's a certain kind of salt.
Yeah, and then
that's what I'm trying to explain.
Yeah.
So we should use the salt first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what you should do first.
Yeah.
If you keep having this problem because you have a pipe separation, it's slid to the side on that turn.
Yeah.
You're going to eventually either have to get this thing a liner to where they line the inside of your pipe all the way up here. Or just listen, Jeremiah.
Yeah.
I know you think you know, but that's what you're paying me for.
All right.
Because I'm a professional, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to pay attention to it.
I know, but see, this is the thing with customers sometimes.
Yeah.
All you're seeing is numbers.
Yeah.
Numbers for money.
Right.
And you're trying to figure out any which way you can
to
not spend money.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's how every single customer is.
Right.
Hands down. I am being so honest with you. I'm giving you these scenarios, right?
Yeah.
Do the salt treatment now. The salt treatment's like $350 on top of the $500. So you're paying like $850, right? For the salt treatment. I got to go get the salt. We're going to put the salt down into your line, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll install the toilet. There's no guarantee these roots won't come back in the future.
Yeah.
Because you have a pipe separation.
Yeah.
So it's going to kill all the roots that are there now. So every year or 2 years, you're going to have to keep adding salt, like if you get the problem again.
Yeah.
But if you do that, it's like going to be about $850 every time, right? This will be the time you start thinking about, spend that time. If it doesn't happen again like that, good.
Yeah.
But if you got to do it 2 or 3 times, then you need to start thinking about having a liner, which they put do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
They line the inside of your pipe all the way out to the main.
Yeah.
That's going to cost you about $5,000 to $7,000, right?
Yeah.
If you have to get your floor jack hammered out and get this pipe redone that way, it's going to be way more.
That's why you told me the last time, yeah.
Yes. So, my suggestion is we use salt first. I'm trying to save you money.
Okay.
And then wait over the next 6 months, year and a half. If it starts getting slow to flush again, that's because that pipe that's separated, it's got to be fixed. There's no other which way about it.
So if we do like that, we can go with our home insurance.
What did your insurance say?
Yeah, yeah.
What did they
Oh
say?
well, you want to talk to her, but I talked to her already.
What did she say?
She was like, it will cover like not like the part the pipe leaking or broken. They will not pay for that, but only for the floor. They said.
Oh,
But when we
that
go with the
sucks.
floor, yeah, that's suck.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So but your problem's not just right here.
yeah.
Your problem is like down the line.
Inside, yeah,
Yeah, under the ground.
Yeah.
Down
Yeah.
like 8-9 feet.
yeah,
Yeah. That's a lot of digging too.
yeah.
It's going to be super expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Best bet is to do the salt, Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Start with that. Because
Well, but we can go by ourselves. Like we go to like the store and we buy it and we put it down ourselves.
you can try that.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to do it not like you need to do it when your toilet's off.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to put your toilet back on.
Yeah, you install it back and we know what we put ourselves. Like you saying like
Whenever, yeah. But every time I take your toilet off and put it back on, it's like $500.
Next time.
Yeah.
Oh, we will see that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we see that. Yeah.
So I suggest though you go and buy rock salt now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save you some money. Look, all the money that I'm saving you is like money that's coming out of my pocket, not the company.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Yeah.
That's why I told you tips are appreciated.
Yeah.
Because this right here for the camera in this with the biogen stuff that I was going to pour in here, it's $850.
$850.
I'm only charging you $500.
Yeah.
So if you want to put salt in here, you need to get your butt up and
salt
go get it now.
The salt is coming on the way, but because my sister called and it's coming on the way right now.
What?
Yeah.
What is?
The one that you're talking about, the chemicals that we're gonna.
It's not chemicals. It's rock salt.
Yeah.
I'm not putting chemicals in your pipe. I will not.
Yeah. So my sister said.
Rock salt.
Yeah.
You can put it in here.
Yeah,
I'm not putting it in here.
Yeah.
Only thing we use is rock salt.
So what do you recommend? Which one?
Rock salt. I'm literally telling you rock salt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Way better than the chemical or what?
I don't put chemicals in a pipe.
Yeah.
Because then it destroys your pipe.
How comes it can't be?
It's because the chemicals eat away at your pipe.
And it can be damaged?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. You need rock salt.
Yeah.
We use rock salt. Professionals use rock salt.
Oh, really?
We don't use Drano on sinks. Just hear me. When you put Drano in your sink, the chemicals heat up and expand the pipe and make your pipe weak. That's why no drains are guaranteed, because we don't know what people put in their drains. So any damage that happens to the drain or anything, we're not at fault. No company is.
Okay.
All right. So when is she gonna get here?
Maybe today. Yeah, today. She comes back home about 2:00.
Oh, that's too much time for me to wait.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna install the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, at least you know what's going on. You got roots.
Yeah.
And I don't know exactly how far down. I'm gonna take this outside.
Yeah.
If you got a drop cord. Yeah. If you have a drop cord, and then.
Can you talk to my sister because she calling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, what's up? What's going on? Hello?
Hello? Yeah. Wait. Okay, that's what we. Listen. Wait. Listen, this is what we're talking about. The one that you talked to me, and then he talked to me like different way.
No. So, you don't really want to use chemicals. You want to use rock salt.
Okay, you tell her. Yeah.
No, that's it.
That's it?
That's it, yeah. The chemicals can damage the pipe.
Over there. Okay, let me see. Our there the methyl chemical ne our kama ba lo pai lo ni ne hu kama lo po pai chemical ne o ha wa ra mo there အခုနေကြအဝဲသိနေသူလည်း rock shop ခံမှာအဝဲနေဝါမဝဲချန်တော့တဲ့ဝရဟွန်းနေတဲ့တော့မကြီးတင်တာခဏ
Will you unplug
Yeah,
it?
they our ballet we more. So are you gonna install back the toilets and we put the like rock off?
You can't put it in the toilet. That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
Oh, in the toilet.
So
we
you need to put it straight down into the
down.
pipe and then put the toilet.
So do you have it right now? Or?
No, I do
No,
not.
you
I
don't.
have to go get it. Yeah.
Okay, well we can find it. What kind of store?
I can't keep waiting though. Like I have other jobs too. I can't
Oh,
wait
yeah?
around like for a long time.
Okay, so you coming back the other day or what, tomorrow?
No.
No? Okay. So
What are you asking me?
oh, okay. So you put it back the toilet right now? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to do.
Okay.
So I was supposed to camera your line,
Oh, yeah.
clear the line,
Yeah.
and then give you recommendations.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
So salt, spot repair,
Yeah.
liner.
All right.
One of those three.
Okay.
Those other two are going to be super expensive.
Okay. All right. Cool.
The rock salt treatment that we use,
Can
it's
you-
like $350.
Yeah. Can you write it down for me so that's why I can find it.
Are
back,
you
yeah.
going to pull the toilet off again?
No.
You're not making any sense.
Okay.
You have to put it in, not in your toilet.
Okay.
You need to not have your toilet
Yeah.
on.
Take
You
it
need to
out
pour
again.
directly
Yeah.
in there.
That's what
Yeah.
you say, right? Yeah. Take it
Yeah.
out of the toilet again. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
The rock salt's it's not cheap.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do? Do you want me to go get the salt and treat it, or do you want to do it later?
That's what I'm saying. You know.
I'm trying to tell you.
Yeah.
Like, if you want me to do it, it's like $350. I got to go buy the salt, come back, treat it, install your toilet.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Is that what you want me to do?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. If you
Yeah.
want, you keep making me think that you want to go buy it.
No.
Okay,
I'm
all right.
I'm telling you that I don't know where's the
I know. So, the procedure will be is to treat it when the toilet's pulled off.
Yeah.
We'll put some in this side and we'll put it out there in your yard. We'll use both.
Yeah.
I'll reinstall your toilet and then we'll just keep flushing and run water and let it kind of run after. First, you want to just kind of like run water a little bit during the treatment.
Yeah.
And then don't use your water for a little while so that salt can get soaked up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Are you doing today or?
Yeah, I can do it today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All right.
no, I can do it now.
All right. Cool.
Yes.
I got you.
You confusing me.
Yeah.
You got me confused. Here.
I know, but you told me that you got to go somewhere. Like you have another job. Yeah.
Oh, no. I can't wait on you to go buy everything. I can't wait till 2 o'clock for her.
Oh, okay.
No, that's what I was saying.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I can't wait on her.
All right.
You said she would be here at 2 o'clock. And I'm like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
All right.
Because they would be like, what are you doing?
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, my company would be like, are you just hanging out?
Right.